Hello guys, my name is Kan and this is Georgia.
Hi!
What are we gonna do today, Georgia?
We're gonna learn about process and food technology degree.
So what is process and food technology, Georgia?
It's a chemical engineering degree. You're gonna learn about all the sciences, physics, chemistry, biology and math.
And today we also have Ninka. Welcome Ninka!
During this course, you actually learn a combination of food and chemical engineering. You start off with continuing on the subjects that you've learned in high school in terms of physics, chemistry and mathematics. Besides that, you actually in the further years of the course, you learn to specialize yourself into the direction of chemical or food engineering.
So when is PFT suitable for you? If you like sciences and you would like to research what you see in the industries but also apply it in real life situations, this is for you.
So we're in the kitchens of PFT at the Hague University of Applied Sciences, and I think this is a great place to have a quick look into the life of a PFT student. So we have Kaan over here, and maybe you can describe a bit what, for example, a first year day would look like in PFT.
So for me, a process and food technology student life is really different from first year, from second year, third year and final year.
Besides that, I think the later stages, so the third and the fourth year, you'll actually gain a bit more experience in terms of internships. You'll still follow some courses of interest, but you're really gaining much more experience on how it will work in the field.
About practical things. So
Exactly.
that's really is a process and food technology student life a day.
So what's first year like in PFT? You will learn the basics of chemistry, physics, biology and math. Alongside with that, you will have social subjects where you learn how to work around your colleagues or also your project group. Because every term you have a project group where you will do practical products. So either work in the chemical lab or also in the physical one or in the cooking lab, like where we are now. From the basics knowledge that you learn in the first year, you can then work through and produce real life products. For example, right now I made a drywall from seaweed. This is a seawood. It will be used in construction work for large buildings in the future.
So we are here in the physical lab of PFT, in which you see a lot of equipment already. I would like to introduce you a bit into the possibilities of process and food technology after your courses. Myself, I'm an alumni and I'm working at a coffee producing company. Besides that, you can actually choose to go into chemical engineering. A lot of my friends actually chose to do this as well. With this, you can actually choose to go into either the pharmaceutical world or the biotech engineering, or end up, as me, into research and development. So we're currently having a look at the distillation column that we have in the physical lab. This actually gives a very good idea of what is currently used in the industry as well. For example, this can be used in defractionation of oils or other liquids. You can actually see that in each stage in this column, different fractions can be exposed from the raw material.
So this is the pipe system simulation to learn about the fluid mechanisms. We're gonna learn how the pump, the valves, influence the losses of a process, and also how the bench or the angle of a pipe design is going to influence the safety of a process.
This is a pipeline simulation in industry. You will learn how pressure and flow rate affect each other. For example, in the above pipeline, the pressure will be different than the below one. We're in the chemical laboratory. Here you will perform the chemical experiments related to the technical subjects you have learned before. But why would you choose PFT? It's a degree that provides you with a bachelor and it's very broad. So if you don't know yet what you're gonna do or what you're gonna become, this is perfect because you learn the chemical aspects but also the food and the pharma aspects. It's very enjoyable and challenging program.
We understand that this is a lot of new information for you, and if you're not fully convinced, please join us for the trial days soon. And also, if you're fully convinced and you're really enthusiastic, please join us and we hope to see you next year. Thank you so much. Bye.